Getting started with Uber Eats Manager. Uber Eats Manager is your central platform to monitor and manage your online store. For new restaurants, you can set up your account by accepting the invite received via email. If the email address you used in the merchant onboarding application already has an Uber account associated with it, as a previous customer or as a driver, you can sign in with your existing password. If you have any questions or issues, reach out to us via the following contact details. Once the account has been created, you're ready to set up your online store. Make sure to review the stores and menu sections, ensuring that all information is correct. The orders and performance sections provide you with powerful insights into your sales and operational performance, while helping understand your customers better. Don't forget to add your bank details in the Payments tab to ensure you receive your payouts once you start taking orders. Finally, make sure to review the Settings section, as it provides you the right tools to ensure your store is running smoothly. Look out for more information about Uber Eats Manager via email and SMS. We also recommend writing down the contact details from earlier and saving our onboarding emails for future reference.